Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. This is Sadhna for Social Science. Our next topic is our rights and duties. So, in today's video, we are going to learn about what is a constitution, the important features of the Constitution of India, the fundamental rights of people in India, the fundamental duties of people, and the directive principles. India became independent on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. After independence, the Constituent Assembly was formed to draft the Constitution of India. A constitution is a set of laws according to which a country is governed. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly. He later on became the first president of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. He was the main architect of the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. According to the Constitution of India, our country is a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. Sovereign. It means our country is free to take decisions regarding all the matters of our country. Socialist. It means that all the people of our country are treated as equals. Secular. It means all the people are free to choose religions of their choice. Democratic. It means the government is elected by the people of the country. Republic. It means that the head of the state is an elected person, not a king or queen. The fundamental rights. The fundamental rights are the basic human freedoms enjoyed by the citizens. The Constitution of India has given us 6 fundamental rights. These rights of people are protected by the Court of Justice. Let us know about these fundamental rights one by one. Number 1. Right to equality. It means all the people will be treated equally. Right to freedom. Right to freedom of religion. Right against exploitation. Cultural and educational rights. Right to constitutional remedies. So these are the 6 fundamental rights given by the Constitution. Fundamental duties. Rights and duties go hand in hand. Our country has given us certain rights and expects some duties to be followed by all the citizens of our country. The fundamental duties are the moral obligations of all the citizens to help promote a spirit of patriotism. Here we have some fundamental duties. Follow the Constitution of India. Respect our national anthem and national flag. Respect our heritage and culture. Take care of public property. Avoid any acts of violence. protect the unity of our country, help our government, live in harmony, try to improve our natural environment, and achieve excellence in whatever we do. Directive Principles. The Constitution of India has also laid down some guidelines to the Government of India. These guidelines are called the Directive Principles of State Policy. These are for the welfare of the people. Let us know about these directive principles. Make sure that everyone can earn a livelihood. Ensure that the rich are not exploiting the poor. Pay equally for equal work to men and women. Protect historical monuments. Ensure that every child gets free and compulsory education. Ensure that people have proper living conditions. So these guidelines are the directive principles laid down by the Constitution of India.